Hey everyone, just some information if you need to do a visa run to Khong, which is Chiang Mai province. It's on the border with Laos. I think it's Friendship Bridge number 4. Before I come here I was checking the internet, checking YouTube, and the only information I could get really was from visa companies with a minibus. So I thought I'd do it myself, see how much it costs, see how long it takes, and what the process is. So I got the green bus from the arcade bus station in Chiang Mai. VIP seat, so it's one seat on its own. Was 460 something Thai baht. That took us all the way through Chiang Rai to the border town here, Khong. When you book your ticket, tell them that you're doing a visa run, because the bus goes past where the entrance to the Friendship Bridge is, but they will stop there and shout Lao visa. You just jump off, get in a tuk-tuk, 50 baht per person, and it's a set price. It's not like Mae Sai or Nong Khai where they try to rip you off. No, it's a set price. They take you straight up to the bridge. Yesterday it took me literally 1 minute to get stamped out Thailand. You have to pay 25 baht to get a bus over the Friendship Bridge to Laos. That took 5 minutes. Then in Laos, just fill in the arrival forms, and if you do not want to stay in Laos, just go straight back to Thailand. They charge you 2,000 baht. So they'll stamp you in and out right there. Then again, 25 baht back to Thailand, and you get stamped in for whatever visa you have. And I just got a 60-day stamp now. And of course, in the previous video I said that you can't go back to Chiang Mai in the evening time. You have to go back in the morning. But places here, there are many guest houses, many small hotels all along the Mekong River, and they're roughly about 400 baht a night for a private room, which isn't bad at all. It's nice and clean. So I got that, and then this morning I didn't book anything until half an hour ago. So this morning I walked down the street to find the green bus again, and they had two. One was at 9:30, departing here, going to Chiang Mai, but stopping at many places. Gets there at 4:30 in the afternoon. Or the 10:31, which I'm on, it gets there at 4 o'clock. So I booked that, and that was 312 baht. I don't know where they make these prices up from, but that's how much it cost. So everything worked out. You don't need a visa company to help you out, cramming you in a minibus like sardines in a can. You don't need that. You get a big bus straight here. Yeah, it takes a little bit longer, but it's a hell of a lot more comfortable, and it's so easy when you get here. I forgot to tell you, when you get your Thai stamp back into Thailand, they have buses that go straight into the centre. Well, apparently this is the centre of Khong. So they'll just take you there for 60 baht each. Again, they don't try and rip you off, so pretty surprised with that. It's kind of a cheap place as well. So yeah, I've got no complaints, and if I ever have to do a visa run again, even if Mae Sai is reopened at that time, I won't even bother. I'll definitely 100% come straight back here. It's well worth it. And if you like your shopping, you got your Thai market with everything in it. You got 7-Elevens all over, Circle K's all over. I've not seen any foreign restaurants, but they have Thai restaurants that sell foreign food. But saying that, I had a steak last night and it tasted like the sole off someone's shoe. It was horrible, but it is what it is, isn't it? So yeah, so I hope the information's good. It is very easy to do yourself. It is a bit time wasting, but so are all visa runs really, aren't they? So yeah, you don't need to get a visa company to do it for you. It's so easy just to do it yourself. Alright, cheers.